Well, that's my car.
Wait, how about Nathan Dad? No.
Or what's left of it. That's our truck. Oh well.